Hey guys, so today we're going to find the derivative of a function using the limit definition. So first we're going to start with finding our f of x plus h, in which all we have to do is just plug in x plus h wherever we see an x. We're going to distribute, so we're going to get 3x plus 3h plus 5. Now we also know our function is f of x equals to 3x plus 5. So we're just going to put here 3x plus 5. So we're going to write down our formula that we have up here. Now we're going to see that we can just plug in, because we already got f of x plus h and we know our f of x, so we can plug in for both. Now here you have to put parentheses when you plug it in, because you have to distribute later on your negative sign. So now we're going to distribute, so we get down here we have limit as h is approaching 0, 3x plus 3h plus 5, distribute that, minus 3x minus 5 all over h. Now we can see that we can cancel some terms, like negative 3x with positive 3x, like positive 5 and negative 5, and we can bring down the rest. Here we have 3h over h, and the h's can cancel out, and so we are left with 3. So our derivative of this function, our f prime of x, is going to be equal to 3. And that is the answer for this question. Okay, so let's try this new problem. Let's try to find f prime of x of f of x equals to, let's say, 5. So first we're going to write our formula. Now we can plug in, which we know that we're going to plug in 5 and 5. So we're going to bring it down. So it's going to 5 minus 5 all over. Now we know that f of x plus h is equal to 5, and f of x is equal to 5. So we're going to subtract so like it's shown here. So as you can see, formula. Now we can bring down the h, and 5 minus 5, so let's do that. We know that that's going to be 0 over h. Now that will equal of f prime of x will equal to 0. So now we know that 0 divided by any number is 0. So the derivative of a constant will always be 0. And that right there is the answer for this question.